Welcome back, everyone. Customizing the branding of your DeskDirector portal is straightforward through the administrative console. In this guide, we'll detail the process of setting up these customizations and illustrate where they will have an impact. Implementing brand packages to personalize the portal. Since February 2022, a fresh approach to implementing tailored branding for your DeskDirector portal has been unveiled: brand packages. This functionality empowers you to apply unique branding for individual companies or your custom domains. To begin creating your brand packages, navigate to the administrative console, System, Brand Packages. The primary distinction lies in their deployment. A host package is tailored for a particular host name or custom domain. This proves advantageous when managing multiple custom domains and necessitating specific branding for each. It's important to note that the service host cannot be altered and is uniquely tied to the URL. It is included in the brand package elements, which are portal title, email delivery account, service host, color themes, and favicon and logo images. The logo appears on the login screen of the portal and on the left-hand menu after logging in. It's advisable to utilize a PNG format with a transparent background, as this allows for seamless adjustment to match the colors used in customizing your DD portal's theme. The mobile logo is intended for display when the web portal is added to the home screen of a smartphone. Any modifications made to the mobile logo won't automatically update the logo on the smartphone's home screen due to caching on the device. To see changes reflected, users must delete and then re-add the web app to their home screen. Thank you for embarking on this journey to customize your DeskDirector experience. With these newfound branding skills, you're equipped to make your portal uniquely yours. Keep exploring and innovating. See you.